first time through the offset cone weave. This is a series of quick left to right transitions. And again, the brain says, go really, really slow. Try to do it at 2 or 3 miles an hour. That's what your brain is telling you. It's that devil on your shoulder. Don't listen to him. As soon as the rider figures out that the faster they go, the easier this is, then they'll get it. She's picking up a little bit, but that's just natural. That's how it is when you're learning to do something you don't normally do, which is quick transition from left to right. And that is exactly what you need out on the road. When the car pulls out in front of you, if you can't swerve out of the way, you are in deep, deep trouble. Keep coming. Now turn. Movements are choppy when you're learning this. It should be one smooth motion. And she'll get it. If she were perfect, she wouldn't need me. That was much better. She was up around 6-7 miles an hour instead of 2 or 3 miles per hour. Let's see if she picks up her speed a little bit. I think that's better. I think that's better. Yeah, that's more speed. Speed's what we need. A little faster head turn. And we got a rider not paying attention. He's supposed to wait till she's halfway through. Otherwise, you could be crossing each other. That was much better, so it did help her. She's almost scraping the pegs. Yes, it's another windy day in Florida. Thank God for this wind, because it's about 90 degrees, but with the wind chill factor, it's only 89.5. Sometimes riders have the tendency to turn the handlebars too far. Shouldn't be anywhere near lock to lock on an exercise like this. If it was motor officer size, yeah, you're occasionally going to hit the locks. Motor officer size is half of this. In other words, the width between inside cone to inside cone here is 24 feet. Motor officer course is 12 feet. That's almost a full lock turn left to a full lock turn right. We show you that on my Ride Like a Pro video. The second half is the actual motor officer course, when you want to bring it to the top level. Definitely following Donna helped this young lady. willing to use any tool I've got, and I got a whole box of tools. Whatever it takes, positive motivation, negative motivation, sarcasm, humor, I don't care what it is, I'm going to do everything I can to make sure a rider leaves here at least 3 times the rider they were when they started in the morning. Never ceases to amaze me how quick people turn around. We're only about an hour into this class, and she's already doubled her skills. By the time the class is over, she'll either be 3 or maybe 4 times better rider than when she started. And remember, folks, these are perishable skills. If you don't use them, you're going to lose them. Spend 20 minutes a week practicing in a parking lot. Oh, it makes a world of difference. When I was on patrol, the first thing I did when I went out at 5:30 in the morning is I found a parking lot and spent 20-30 minutes maneuvering that bike as tight as possible. And then I was ready for the day. Very good, very good.